the tropical garden. This style is all about creating a lush, exotic atmosphere with vibrant colors, big leafy plants, and a sense of adventure. Whether you live in a tropical climate or want to create a look in a cooler area, I'll walk you through how to get that tropical vibe in your own backyard. Now let's get started. The key elements of a tropical garden we need to consider. A tropical garden is dense, bold, and filled with dramatic foliage. The main focus is on large, lush leaves, vibrant flowers, and layered plantings to create a jungle-like feel. This design thrives on different textures, shapes, and a mix of greens, along with splashes of vibrant color. Think of it as creating your own little slice of paradise. Now, how do we layer for a jungle effect? This is done by arranging tall plants like palms and banana trees at the back or in the center as focal point. Then plant medium height plants around them like philodendrons and cannas. Fill in the front with lower growing ground covers or ferns to create that full layered look. This will give your garden a sense of depth and that rich jungle-like atmosphere. Now, water features. Water plays a big role in tropical gardens. Adding a small pond, waterfall, or fountain brings a soothing element and helps create a humid environment that tropical plants love. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A small fountain or bird bath can add that calming water element and make your garden feel more like a tropical paradise. Adding color with tropical flowers. To bring in that tropical feel, add splashes of color with bold, exotic flowers like hibiscus, birds of paradise are perfect choices. With their vivid reds, oranges, and yellows, these bright colors bring energy to the garden and create contrast against all the green. Arrange flowers in groups or clusters to make them stand out among the foliage. Climate plants add a touch of mystery to a tropical garden, so consider adding vines like passion flower or mandevilla, which climb up trellises or fences and add height. If you have a pergola, drape vines over it to create a natural canopy, adding shade and enhancing the lush, secluded feel of the garden. Tropical gardens look magical at night. Adding soft, warm light enhances the exotic feel. Use string lights, bamboo torches, or solar lights placed at the base of large plants or along pathways to create a gentle glow. Lighting up your garden at night adds ambience and lets you enjoy your tropical oasis even after the sun goes down. A beautiful tropical garden right in your own backyard. With the right plants, a touch of water, and some creative layering, you can create your own lush oasis. So thank you for joining me here on the Garden Profiler. And if you're planning your own tropical garden, let me know in the comments.